Welcome back to Learn PHP on Codecademy. We're in the Introduction to PHP section. This is How is PHP Executed? In the previous exercise, we explored how PHP can be sent from the back end to the front end where it is received as HTML to be displayed by a browser. PHP is flexible and can also be executed from the terminal. We can use PHP as a general-purpose programming language to write programs that give simple instructions to the computer without involving HTML or the web. When this is done, the output of the program is logged to the terminal. This is useful when testing functionality or for writing simple local programs. When writing a PHP script file, we still need to denote that we are beginning our PHP code using this here, but the closing tag is no longer required. It is typically left out by convention. For example, if the following code were placed in index.php, we have our opening PHP code, and then we have echo, hello world. When the code above is run, hello world will be output to the terminal. Generally, PHP ignores whitespace, tabs, spaces, new lines, so this code yields the same result as the previous example. Same thing. We have our opening PHP code and then echo hello world. You may be surprised that this code also works, and here the E is capital. Unlike many other languages, PHP is not always case sensitive, so echo is a valid statement in PHP. However, it's best practice to use standard casing, in this case, echo with a lowercase e. Our instructions say we've included some sample code. Can you change it so that I love PHP is printed to the terminal instead of hello world? Let's zoom out and do that. So running this should output here on the terminal, I love PHP. Let's run it now. And we do pass. So what we're learning here is how PHP is executed. We learn that it is flexible and can be executed from the terminal as well. We also learned that when writing a PHP script, we always need to denote the beginning of our PHP code using our opening PHP code, but the closing tag is no longer required and is typically left out by convention. Those are the two main points that you should take away from this lesson, and once you get that, I'll see you in the next one.